Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a calendar to your whiteboard on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Select the whiteboard that you would like to use, and after that you should click on the plus icon that will appear down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then click on templates down below and then click on calendar, which is the third section at the top. And here you will be able to find a bunch of calendar templates. These are theme calendars, as you can see, so tap on the relevant one you want to use, but at the top you can also choose from these subcategories such as monthly, weekly, yearly calendars, so tap on it. And after that you should click on the relevant one you want to insert. As you can see, some of these are only available to premium users. They are indicated with this crown icon. So you can also type in the name of the calendar if you have a particular one in mind into the search bar and then tap on it. And in a few seconds you will be able to check it out. If you tap on it, you can edit the text, type in your own text. You can change the color of it, the border, the table spacing, the font size, the font itself and the color, and basically everything. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.